Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand hash define in C. The concept of constants has already been discussed in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video because this video is the continuation video for that video. So in the video, every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, we'll try to understand what is this, how to define constants by using hash define. Before that, what is hash define? So hash include, we have understood about this in our previous videos. Similarly, there are different, so this is hash, using the hash, if anything is used, it means they are preprocessor directives. So about this preprocessor directives and what is the job of this preprocessor directives, that we will try to understand in our later videos. At this point of time, just remember that whatever we start with, whatever the values that we use with the hash, they are called as preprocessor directives. Similar to that of hash include, we have another preprocessor, many different preprocessor directives are there, and one of them is hash define. So what this hash define is, it is used to define constants, and those values cannot be changed throughout the execution of the program. And const is another way in which we can create constants, and similarly hash define is the other way. Here we have created two constants by name rows. One of the constant is rows and the other one is calls, and the value given to the rows is 3 and the value given to the calls is 4. Okay, so in this program is just to scan the values into two-dimensional array which is of size rows and calls. Means here the value 3 will be there and here the value 4 will be there. Okay, so it is not possible for us to change these values, it is constant. But what is the benefit that we are going to get from these constants is we cannot change them, one of the benefit, and the other one is whenever we want to, in this kind of declaration, whenever we want to change the number of rows and columns, it's very easy. Just change here from 3 if you would like to change 4, and from 4 if you would like to change 5, 4 rows and 4 columns. The entire program now will be intact. See here, number of rows is equal to 4, now it will become number of columns is equal to 5, and here this one will be 3. Okay, so if that is the advantage of creating the constants and creating the constants by using define. Okay, one more thing is, instead of just giving the values, by using hash define we can use the expressions also. For example, if you want to create value 4, and this 4 can be given as 16 by 4. Nobody will use like this, but the point that you have to understand is, so instead of just giving 4, you can give this expression also. Okay, expressions are allowed with the constants by using this hash define. That is the point that you have to understand, and it is the general practice in most of the programs. It is a general practice to give the names of the constants in uppercase. But it is a good practice. It differentiates the programmer or the third person who is watching this program, who is seeing this program, will understand that these are the constants and these are the variables. Variables are given in mixed cases, lower and upper cases. Usually it is a good practice to give the constants in uppercase. Okay, so this is all about hash define in C. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.